Hello students, this is exercise number 9 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine April 2022 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. In our strategy of development, we want growth and greater equality. We want to prevent concentration of economic powers. That is why we must help the public sector as well as the cooperative sector to grow, both absolutely and in relation to the private sector. Cooperatives combine the good points of both the public sector and the private sector. They give a voice and sense of participation to the ordinary man. They are based on voluntary union and democratic control. At the same time, they can take full advantage of modern large scale management. If I may say so, the cooperative way is a civilized way of working, providing as it does the means of diminishing large scale ownership by individuals and groups, but without sacrificing the advantages of big units essential for the application of modern science and technology. The cooperative, thus, bridges the gap between the small unit and technology. Dreams cannot become realities unless there are material factors by which we can implement them. It is only through science and technology that we can supply these material conditions. Even the so called advanced countries assign a major role to cooperatives. Therefore, I feel they fulfill a more extensive economic function than we are normally aware of. In most European countries, as well as in the United States, cooperation is the ruling principle of agriculture. In Japan, cooperatives are a big force. Whether it is agriculture or industry or the services, cooperatives have made spectacular progress since 1950-51 when we took up planning. I find that the total agricultural credit dispensed by cooperatives was only rupees 300 million in that year, while last year the figure rose to rupees 3450 million. Over the same period, the working capital of all cooperatives has grown nearly 9 times. I am particularly impressed by the great strides made by this movement in agricultural processing and marketing sectors. Cooperation is an ideal instrument for rural development. In the government of India, cooperation is part of the same ministry which looks after agriculture, community development, and food. But cooperation has a vital role in urban areas as in rural areas. All over the world, urbanization has led to the erosion of people's ability to live a well adjusted corporate life. People might reside together in cities, but they are isolated and lonely and do not seem to live together.